Josh and I was going to perform the rolling pattern number 3 of the progression. So with this, again, you're going to find that dead bug position, neutral low back, should be pretty flat on the ground, able to breathe a nice comfortable belly breath to help stabilize that low back. Again, grab the foam roll, half foam roll of some sort. Now on this one, you're going to stay on the ipsilateral side, so the same side, and you're going to crush forearm to same side knee. And with this, you're going to roll to the side of compression. So for Josh here, it's going to be to the right. Again, find that teeter-tottery point. Take a deep breath at that point, and then control the roll back, having no momentum. Good. Flip it over. Do one to the left so they can see. Good, and it also helps when you're rolling to reach tall with that opposite hand. This helps keep the shoulders and hips in the same plane. Perfect.